Wow, look at this display right here. I always wonder what this is right here. If anyone does know, just tell me in the comments below. But anyways, we are here at the Richardson Petroleum Engineering Building at Texas A&M University. Look at those lanterns. I love those Texas A&M style lanterns. And that right there is a service elevator that serves the basin, but we'll ride that later. We'll ride these first. Indicator doesn't light up. These are Dover Traflomatic 3 from 1988. Here are 10. Let's go outside and ring the bell. Indicator doesn't ring. Look at that button right there. Adams replacement Dover traditional call button. G. Tall cab. Slow for 10 stories considering travel 350 feet per minute. There's your ADA compliant phone. Send this one away, we'll get that car right there. Listen to the wheels. B? What the heck was that? Non-ADA phone. 10. Oh, I love that bell. I'll have to come back down here and sample that chime. That was one of the best bells that I've ever heard. What's on that door clutch? Here we are at 10. Let's see if the bell works out here. Barely. Let's go out to the basement and sample that chime. That door is slow. It's a lot bigger than the other one. These are your Dover impulse fixtures. That's your older contact. According to Anthony020501, I recently spoke with him. I'm not sure if this is a Dover SPF. Listen to this bell. Love that chime. All right, up to one in there. So much fun go out. Right here at one. Oh, it didn't ring. I'm not sure if these are Dover SPF, which I believe is the same name as Traflomatic 3. Or Traflomatic 3 or 4. Anyways, that'll be it.